Hi, I'm Robert Jones, Operations Manager at Cornerstone Construction Company. I oversee various construction projects across different locations, and managing them is a lot of work. One of my major challenges is managing the field teams of about 50 construction workers at multiple locations. Keeping track of the work progress, maintaining our vehicles and equipment, and ensuring efficient communication between the on-site teams and the back office has been tough. My on-site teams have historically used paper forms, which can be problematic. They're redundant, inaccurate, and often cause project delays. But then, I found FastField, a solution that allows us to create, assign, track, and manage forms for multiple field teams and projects simultaneously. FastField helps us collect validated data, meet certain safety standards, and improve visibility on-site. With FastField, we can use a variety of field types to capture the exact data we're looking for, such as GPS tagging, signatures and photos for validation purposes, and many more. But I need your help to get started. The first form I want to create is a vehicle inspection checklist to ensure our construction vehicles are meeting standards and going in for maintenance if needed. I have some ideas about the sections and fields I want to include in my vehicle inspection checklist, but I could really use your help to build my first complete FastField form. Are you up to the challenge? Let's get started.